Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn any blog post into a video. So for this, I am here on Eli. The link is in the description box. You can check it out from there. There you will find this option AI storyboard. Click on it and there we have four options which is from topic, from URL, from text and from scratch. Now here we need to enter text. So for this, I will add this blog post here. So just copy few sentences here. Once you copy it, go back and paste that sentence here. Now scroll down and there you will find create video option. Click on it. It will take few seconds and then it will start generating video. Now here on the top right side you will find this option change template. Click on it and from there you can choose the template which suits most with your blog post. Now here you need to click on apply new template. Now here on the top right side, click on convert slides and this page will open. Now here you can edit each and every part of this slide here. Like you can change the elements. Let's drag it and drop it here. Now change the text here. As you can see, now we can also edit this. Let's increase its size here so our text adjusts in it. Once the text is added, now let's add avatar. Here on the right side, you will find avatar option. Click on it and there you will get different options. You can choose the avatar which suits with your post here. So I will go with this one here. Just adjust its size here and you are done with the first slide. Now scroll down and click on add slides. Now again adjust this avatar here. You can adjust it any side or in the middle. I will adjust it here in the left side. Now to add background, here you will find elements option, click on it and from here you can go with images, click on see all and as we talk about laptops, so you can search for laptops here and you can add a background image. So choose the image that suits with your blog post again here. So now the image is added, now right click on it and click on move to and now click on back. So it will adjust it to the back side of this avatar. Now fit this image here. Now to enter text here on the right side, you will find the text option. So for that, you need to copy the next sentences. So they are just copied. Now go back and click on text here. Once you click, now press Ctrl plus V so your text will be copied here. Now you can adjust this text position too. So once the text is adjusted, now you need to scroll down and here you need to enter that text again. Press Ctrl plus V so that text will also added here. And now click on this play button to see how your video looks like. Now to save this, here on the top right corner you will find this render option. Click on it and now click on start render. You will get this notification that your video will be ready in about 1 minute and you will receive an email once the video is ready. Now here if I refresh my Gmail account, so we will get an email from Eli. Click on it and from there you can click on this video and you can preview it and also you can download it. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.